So I didn't film at all last night because the wind and the rain got up so bad. I had to get away from the coast, come in town. Well, I say town, it's a little village. Lovely little village where it is. I stuck my tent in a field up beyond the church, up that way. I come down here, so I need to get a bottle of water from this shop. But it's not open yet, which is fun. Been absolutely hammered by the wind today. Throat's going a little bit as well. This is where we're going, in this tiny little woodland. Well, it's not even that, it's like a strip of trees. There's nowhere else, 4 miles.